Once the download is done, just go ahead and right click on it and click on show in folder. And then you guys are going to see the zip file. You have to extract this. So make sure you right click on it and select the fourth option that says extract to The Sims 4. To do this, you will need WinRAR. There's a link in the description. Again, it's free. Just install it. And then let the game extract. This part takes about 10 to 20 minutes, so just be patient. You're then going to go in the folder. Go in the folder again. And this is very important. Make sure you go in the underscore Redist folder first. You have to install all 5 of these programs. This is what makes the game run. Make sure you guys install this. I already have all of them, so I don't need it. Go up 1 level with the arrow. Then go in the Sims 4 folder. Look for the game folder, which is right here. Double click inside of it. Then go inside bin. And then you're going to see 2 right here. TS4 and TS4X64. You could run whichever one you want. So basically right click on it and select run as administrator. And then the game will work. You can also go to send to and click on desktop create shortcut. What that's going to do is basically make a shortcut for you so you can run the game from your desktop. And then as you guys can see, when you launch the game, it works. And that's pretty much it.